you see here, you have 8 over 5 equals V over 6. You should notice that it's a proportion, and immediately you're thinking to yourself, cross multiply. 8 times 6, that's 48. V and 5. 5 times V is 5V. All right, so we cross multiplied. Now, I want to separate the 5 from the V, and I need to do division. Divide by 5, divide by 5. So we have 48 over 5 equals V. Okay. Questions on that before I do the next step? Alrighty. So in the directions, notice how it says, round your answer to the nearest tenth. So that means they want a decimal, not a fraction. And to get that, you're going to have to do the division. So 48 divided by 5. I'm going to do a 0.0 for now. If we need another 0, we can put it in later. Let's see what happens. So 4 divided by 5, nope. But 48 divided by 5, that's good. 9. So I'm going to do minus 45. So I get 3, and I'm going to bring down the 0. Make sure you put your decimal point after the 9 so you don't forget. All right, 30 divided by 5 is 6. So minus 30. So we're done. So that means our answer that we have to put in to have this mark correct is 9.6 equals V. We didn't need to round this because it's exactly 9.6. No rounding necessary for this question. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at the next one. All right, we're going to solve this proportion by cross multiplying because it's fast. So multiply that and this. So I'm going to have 7V equals 55. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 7. So I have V equals 55 over 7. All right. Here comes the long division. All right, I'm going to do 55 point. I'm going to do 2 zeros after the decimal divided by 7. Okay. Have a feeling that we are going to have to round this one. So that's why I put 2 zeros after the decimal. You have to go to the hundredths in order to round to the tenths. Let's do it. 55 divided by 7. 7. I'm going to put my decimal point here so I don't forget. Minus the 49. Okay, so that leaves me with 6. Okay, bring down the 0. All right, 60 divided by 7. That's going to be 8. So subtract 56. And you get 4. Bring down the next 0. 40 divided by 7. That's going to be 5. And we don't need to go any further, right? So if we're rounding to the nearest 10th, we got to look at the hundredths place. 5 and above, give it a shove. So we want to shove 8 to 9. So we're saying V is equal to 7.9. So this one we did round because it wasn't exactly 7.8. We have more to go after the 10th.